welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the closet organization that I have made, and as you can see, this closet is such a mess, so I really need to clean it out. I have a bunch of things here that I don't even use. This is supposed to be the linen closet, and as you can see, it's really small, so let's fix it, see what we can do about it, and if we can make it look much better at the end. Let's start by taking everything out from the closet and see where it belongs. So for example, that swimming thing that I got there, it shouldn't be there. So let's see what else I can find here that doesn't belong. Okay, so all of these is what I got from that closet, that super small closet. I got all these towels, all these bed sheets, except the pillows that are over there, and plus these bed sheets, and all of these things, random things that don't belong here. So let's just throw away what we don't need, or give away what we don't need. Now let's sort a little bit all what I had there and see what I'm gonna be putting there, like the bed sheets, the towels, and what it's supposed to be there, so it can be easier for me to really use all this stuff. Okay, so I wanted to show you what I got. I got these at Michael's. These are some baskets to store things. So I got the 3 sizes. I got these with the purpose of really fix my linen closet. So these are how they look, and they have lids. So I'm gonna try this out. If they really worked out, I will leave them. If not, I will return them. I will show them to you to see how they look. These ones, this is the smallest size, and if I like them, I might buy another set of these baskets. See, this is how they look. Okay, I'm gonna try to fit some of the things that I have on that linen closet here. say that this actually took me more than a day to fix everything and to sort everything out and to figure out what boxes I was going to be using, return the baskets, and then also fix the closet. When you have everything that you know that it's going to be fitting in your closet ready, it's much easier to do it in maybe one day or a couple of days. I did it in parts because I have kids and I didn't have all of the things that I was going to be needing. This is the first time for me using baskets and the first time trying or attempting to fix this linen closet. Struggled to put all the baskets inside the closet because I needed to see how they fit, and if they didn't fit I had to return them. But I finally decided on the medium size and the smaller size and returned the biggest ones. And it was fine because I actually was able to get a discount for those. Here I'm trying to clean up all the things that don't belong in the closet and that we might not need anymore. Baby stuff, and sorting out all the things that I'm gonna be either giving away or getting rid of. I got these 3 other boxes, but I wanted to see how they looked. So this is the biggest one, and we have another 2 smaller one here, and I also got this one to see if it will fit, so I will try and use it. I was trying to use it as a tray as well for my Montessori activities, but I will see how it looks. how it looks like so far. I still have a lot of work to do, but I'm going to Hi, this is a different day. Today I got on the mail these Wayfair boxes and I bought the 4 of them. So I'm gonna see how can I use these baskets, and I will show you what it fits in there, and I will see what I will be doing with the big boxes, big baskets that I got from Michael's, and I will let you know as well. Okay, this is the big one. It doesn't fit in the closet. This is the next one in size, and I was able to fit the whole set of sheets, so I think I will be using this one. I was able to fit another set of sheets in the next size. I will show you how it looks in the closet in a second. Okay, so these are the new ones that I got, and these are the older ones. I still like most this one because it looks tighter. I think that it looks cleaner this way because they are closed rather than these ones, but it will be a lot of work to return these ones, so I'm gonna keep working with this type of them. I will see if I can get more of these sizes at Michael's. And this is how the rest of them are looking. I'm still working on this part. I'm not sure if I will leave this basket here or here, but I still have some bed sheets sets that I need to somehow put in here. Okay, so we are at Michael's, and these I wanted to show you what are the different types of baskets that they have here on Michael's. This is what they have, and I got one set of these, but they were too heavy and too pricey, so I think I'm gonna go with the small ones of the set that I told you. I just grabbed them here, and I'm good to go. I just wanted to show you all the variety of baskets that they have here, and they are very nice. These ones could work as well, but because of the shape, I prefer them in a rectangular shape. I think right now some of those are buy one get one free. This is the end result from my closet organization, and as you can see, this part is still a work in progress section because those are my comforters, and I usually change them every couple of weeks. And the pillows are the ones that I got for whenever I have visitors, so I do use them, but I don't want to store them in a different place, so I'm not sure how to make it look nice. In this part I have bed sheets and winter bed sheets. This part has bed sheets as well, and duvet covers. In this section, I got those baskets from Wayfair.ca, and I have some towels on the left side and hand towels on the upper left side. The right upper left side is empty, and the basket below that one has hand towels as well. And this part, I have some pillows there that I might be using soon, so hopefully those can be taken out from there. And the basket below has some baby or children blankets that I will be needing just for a throw out. I think those might be good there for now. I'm still working on this part, but overall I like the end result because it was a completely mess. You can see that there is a space now. I got rid of things that I don't need anymore and that I don't use. So this is pretty much what I use, and it's looking tidy now. What do you think? Please let me know if you have any suggestions on how to fix that part where I got the covers. And if you have any suggestions, I will be thankful for your suggestions. I'm still pretty new at the closet organization, but I think it looks pretty nice in comparison to how it was before. Thank you so much for watching.